Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, once again we are here with a very interesting questions, but before solving this question, it is requested to those who are newcomer, please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner and don't forget to share, like and comment. The question today we are having is, on Republic Day, sweets were to be equally distributed among 450 children. But on that day, 150 children remain absent. Thus, each child got 3 sweets extra. How many sweets did each child got? So here we have to find the number of sweets each child got after 150 students were or child were absent. So here the first thing which we take, that is, so here the number of sweets we don't know, so we take the number of sweet x. So let the number of sweets be, that is, x. So we have just taken the number of sweets x, and here the first thing was that this number of sweet was to be divided among 450 child, but unfortunately here so here we take this is the number of sweets, so this was first to be divided among 450 child, but unfortunately here we minus 150 child. Here you have to make a thing clear. So at the start we have number of sweets that were to be divided among 450 child. So what does this mean? You have to make it clear in every format. So at the starting there were 450 child, among which x number of sweets have to be distributed, but unfortunately from here, from 450 child, we have just minus 150. So it will be clear in the next step in complete and in the best manner way. So here we were having now the difference of the sweets, that is 3. Now make it clear in the next step. It will be clear in each and every manner to you. So here now the number of student or the number of child becomes, that is, here we are having, that is x divided by, so how much this becomes? This becomes 300 minus x upon 450. Here two things now we are having. This is the number of child among which the sweets have to be distributed, that is x. So this was the starting position of the child and the number of sweets which have to be distributed. So which is greater among this, and what is this minus mean? So why we have just minus x divided by 450? If you look, some people are mostly confused that this is, they say that this is a smaller number and this is a greater number. So it is wrong. No, this portion x divided by 300, this is greater. This is greater than x divided by 450. So make it now. I will make it to you clear that. So let's suppose, so x we have just taken. So this is an example. This is just for your understanding. So we have just taken example. So this is x. So now we take as x, that is 20 sweets, and here also we take 20 sweets. Now see, you can see the digits. So we have just taken, this is smaller digit 300. So we take here, that is 5. Let's suppose that 20 sweets is to be distributed among 5 children. And here you can see if we take 10, so 20 sweets will be distributed among 10 child. So which is greater? If you calculate, we come to know that this is a greater number. So that's why we have kept the greater number this side, and the smaller number we have just minused it. So if we divide it, so here we get that is 5 ones are and 5, how much are 5 fours are. So here 10 ones are and 10 twos are. So here we are having the number that is 4 and this is 2. So this is the greater number. So I have just told you that this and as well as this, so this is greater. So now the main thing which you have to understand it. So here now the sweets are to be distributed among only 300 child, and here this is a greater number, and the number of sweets each child will get, that will be also greater, minus x upon 450. So this is now the present condition, and this was the number of students before the absent of 150. So what will be the difference? So this now means the difference. So this is the difference. Now this is the difference, and what will be the difference now? The difference will be there that now each child will get 3 sweets extra. So here we have just taken, so this is the same thing, and this is just for your understanding. So here the difference now will be that is 3 sweets will be distributed among each student extra. I hope you have completely understand this thing. So this is the difference, and the difference is 3 now. I hope it is clear to all of you. So now it will be clear to understand. So here if we take the LCM, so what will be the LCM? So here to take out the LCM, that is, see, this is 300 and this is 450. So here if we take out the LCM, so what will we get with the answer? So here if we divide it by 2, we get 150 and 225. Again with 2, here we get that is 75 and this 225, and now by 3. So now if we divide it by 3, we get here that is 75 and this also becomes 75. So 225 divided by 3, that is 75, and now this will be divided by only 75. So we get here the answer that is 1. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now if we multiply all these, so here if we multiply, so this is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 75, we get now the answer that is 900. So it means that this 900 is divisible by both 300 and 450. So now here we get the LCM, that is 900. I hope till here you have completely understood the question. So what will this becomes? So here 900 divided by 3, that is 3x, minus, and 450, after dividing 900 by 450, we get here that is 2x, and this is equal to 3. I hope till here you have completely understood the question. So here we get the answer. So this 900 goes upward, and here we get that is only x. X is equal to 3 multiplied by 900, and x, the value of x we get here that is 2700. So this is the value, this is the number of sweets number. So this is now the number of sweets. So here we have just taken at the beginning, so let the number of sweets be x. So here we got the number of sweets. So now the present children, so present children or child, how much they are. So there were 450 at the beginning, and after that 150 got absent. So here the present childs are 300, and here also we have just taken 300 as the present child. So here now each 300 child will get how much? So here the answer will be therefore, so the number of sweets x divided by 300. So this is the number of sweet, and now it is just to be divided among 300 child. So here we get the answer, that is, so number of sweets, that is 2700 divided by 300. So these two zeros cancels with each other, and 27 divided by 3, we get the answer, that is 9 sweets. 9 sweets per child. I hope till here you have completely understood the question and the method for solving, and this is our answer. So thank you very much.